Hi there! This video is a website tutorial on how to use our international website. So let's start! Visit our website www.eduplaninternational.com. As you can see, some of the categories have been listed over here. Since there are only a few, click Browse All to view all the categories. Once you have selected your main category, there might be a few subcategories under the main category. Select your interested category and the subcategory to view all the products that you might be looking for.